Should investors ignore the forward P on nvidia and the hundreds of billions of dollars being spent on AI infrastructure by the hyperscalers?
Yes, because that is so priced in, they don't have to ignore it. It's already in the stock. So the issue, by the way, the forward multiple of nvidia is not 29 times.
What is it?
It's 29 times if everything comes up perfect.
Why wouldn't
every batter on your
Why
baseball
wouldn't it come
team
on
hits
perfect?
a home run every
This is
single
a company
time
that essentially owns the AI chip space and is powering the Gen AI movement. Why wouldn't it come on perfect? What has NVIDIA done the past 2 years, David, that would suggest they're not going to come out here and be big this week and raise up their estimates for the first quarter?
They've done nothing the last couple of years other than the foolishness.
Well, then why does everybody on the street own the stock?
The foolishness of an investment thesis that suggests that what has happened the last couple of years always repeats itself.
So we don't need AI. We don't need AI chips from NVIDIA.
Have learned the lesson against that the hard way.
So realistically, Intel is more of a value than NVIDIA.
No, Intel is not. It's simply a story about valuation of a multiple. It's a story about order flow combined with valuation. There's two dynamics to what places a stock. It's both the fundamentals of the business combined with what you're paying for that story. People who ignore the latter have lost their shirts for years and years. Many of them learn it the hard way. Intel's story is not valuation. The reason it's broken is fundamentals.
So what you're saying essentially is that AI, what NVIDIA is putting out, is not important to the world. And then you should wait, what, for the stock to correct 50% before you get an NVIDIA?
I didn't say it's not important to the world. I said it's already priced in.
At 29 times forward earnings, even at 58 times.
It is not 29 times earnings. That
what
is
would
based
make NVIDIA
on
attractive
a sustenance of a 58% net margin and an 80% gross margin.
But who else is near NVIDIA? Who else is doing what NVIDIA is doing? They're expanding
Nobody.
margins.
That's why nobody else is at $3.3 trillion market cap.